Excuse me, I'm sleeping. Many things. You saw a lot of the time and then I'm back in the south, so...
I don't have your back.
No, I don't think so.
V and Neil fight over Laycon. V and Neil's fight in BBNaija 2020 Lockdown House has become a normal thing, but the twist of this recent episode is that it is not about food but about Laycon, who is a good friend of the two of them. The day seemed perfect for the whole housemates until when Neil left the room to help V out in sweeping the house, but she bluntly told him that she does not need his help. Neil, while insisting, told her that he wanted to help out because he was bored and also wanted to spend time with her.
No, it's fine, it's fine.
I'm bored now.
It's fine, I don't need help.
I really don't have shit to do. Everybody's there and I want to spend time with you and you're sleeping and I want to do
I don't see why you want to spend time with me. I don't get it, because I'm tired. I'm actually tired of saying the same things to you before.
Tired of what?
I'm just tired of talking. I'm tired of saying the same things to you. I'm just tired.
I see.
The tempo of the discussion was raised with the next statement V made. She told him that she does not think he has ever got her back in the house. That statement did two things to Neil. It hurt him and also gave him a hint as to what built a brick wall between them. He asked if she said that to him because there was a heated argument between her and Laycon, who happened to be a very close friend, and he decided not to be involved. V asked him why he would see such a thing happen between her and Laycon, and he did not take her side. The tall, dark, worry-born housemate told her that it would not have been good for him to interfere in a matter that involved her and a close friend. He stressed that it would have been better if it involved another housemate. Guys, thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a new story drop.